the National People's Youth Front NPYF Shillong City hak khandai trek naila racharpsan kala penlang ke program pun ke buramik samla kala pas bahana ke exam SSLC but HSSLC mentau snem ha oro bindo hall Shillong hak ni ke Jingïoh lawan me lang Dr. Amperin Lingdo MLA ke parti na Shillong East ke badai ru ke menteri badai khmi ke tanat ke koi ke khia sarkar jala uba Hamlet Sondoling working president NPP Meghalaya uba HM Shangpliang spokesperson ke NPP Meghalaya uba Bajop Si Pongrup spokesperson NPYF Meghalaya lambat kiwi pan nalor kinongkit kam ke NPYF Shillong City hak Jingïoh ba mebon rapthap kum president laydan lang ru kinongelam ke NPYF East Khas Hills baguntup uba Kyrwoh soklat president lam kinongkit kam na kinik shnat trekam ke parti habukran nak Jingïoh ba Hamlet Sondoling la penpau ke cingkentui samla pulie banangnya itista ban penurlong ik cingpos new jongki la penpau ke cingso khia ba jala kaduna palat ban penmi ke officer IS IPS IFS bat kiwe pan
kadon ba ke jingkermen hapi namar ni sutu shai baki samla habki temui rokam pidang la bele mar pidang don ya ke mensim pidang don ya ka jingkut jingmut ke jongpi jang don ke jang no jong pi jang don ke trace tom jong pi but lang don ru ya ta kamen sim ban sacrifice le ban ie ke ba khoi ban em ya ta ka thong ke jong pi i kwa ya ka dur mar kum bolong manta abangi pet chapo ke state ke jongi bakar ki bapas IS la slam pha dan shoot bapa IS po ka ki jala jongi last ko ke slam arja khat ar khat lai bangi IS bare next state ke jongi kata kali berkeli benbuak kejengkeli pi hang ni de piron kat ni ke samla hatu kalong mo baraka jela jungi kenamdan ki IS kenamdan ki IFS ki IRS ki bahakawe jasngi pi pin salong ki ban shong hati postgrad ban thau ki policies ki ba per nam ta ka state ka jungi I Dr. Amperin ladan hang ni dari senior politician ngang ladan post secretariat rengai I ya kata ki jura ki don kam ban mi ki breu jong mereka jala jungi balong kita ki policies megar ban thau ki ai per namta ka sti jungi hi baro ka wei ai ba ka de ka jing kedua mental si ka de ka challenge bi lar ki wei ki sti ki la ban pin mi ki IS IFS ter balai ni yamla ka pakong sang long ba pipit kut jingmut kanu ka em jong bi bidon kut jingmut lar fe kun jingmut kamdan ka pamla baro kadai ka bala kata kadai ka jingmut jong kadai ka jing kedo jingi menta kaski da ka jing kirkli bada ka jing kermen bhi ni belong ni ke program bamta bagi soban ai kublai ya ka NPWF ka bashim ni ka senjam ka bakia hadu kata bad belong program ka bukini ka mle ka basup riklale ilak jong ka banta ka jong phi tedak leng jonga sisien ai kublai pi baro ki samla puli ke brah kapor ai ba phedang la ban pen janai phedang la ban pen tension ya ka jing puli ke jong pi nang ni sakhambat namar gidan kam ya pi ki samla ki panang ki basta namar ka jing nang ka jing start na chupi kalong kum kawai lam arliang serti
Nagaliang ka Dr. Amperin kumukongsan kalau ang bakum kisamla ken mat bon ki jing pensoi ki kam ki bala ban kta ya kalau wei jing puli jungki pat kumta ki don kam balong ki baskam jingmut kalau ang bala dangop hai Jingsniew kanam dan ke Jingim ke bakmen ke balong ke benta ke bakham koridor ban ya ke Pisa ni Jingïoh mak sagi jing puli.
We are a state that is daring to address and redress all issues brought before the purview of the government. The NPYF is a strong frontal organization in our party organization. Young people must remember that without politics, there is no life. There is politics which is political in nature. There is politics in educational systems. There is politics in marketing. There is politics practically in every sphere of life. Congratulations, the NPYF Shillong City, for this bold step that you have taken forward. Alongside the politics, we are mandated to serve the people. It is not every ambition of every member of the NPYF to contest and be involved in active politics. But in order for a political party to be given the opportunity to govern, academicians also have to evaluate their political systems around us. We are here to serve you. And to mark this commendable effort put in by the NPYF Shillong City, the NPYF of 16 East Shillong sat in an urgent meeting and has decided to give 50,000 rupees as support to the highest mark holder in both the board category examinations that today we commemorate and recognize. President may kindly get in touch with the President of 16 East. We are here to handhold our children. We are here not to give you lip service, but to assure you that we are making systems functional in this generation. You give the NPP an opportunity to continue in its governance. You will see substantial, tangible, evaluated success stories. Look at the roads, look at the water, look at the health, look at all the other social indicators. NPP is delivering its promise to the people. The people will stand to judge us. But while we go ahead, we will assure you that if there's any problem that any citizen has, we are here to hear you. It is incorrect to obscure the truth. It is incorrect to say that students do not get scholarships. Our government, in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, has made sure that we are there to attend to the need of our students. Since drugs was discussed and a song was written to talk about the problems of isolation of young people. Dear young citizens of the state of Meghalaya, you can perform, you will get marks, you have the talent, you have supporting family systems, you have a supporting government, but the devil is working in your minds. Like I said, talent is given to all. Let us resolve in this forum today to tell every young person to take a pledge that the devil shall not destroy or destruct or distract my life. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, on behalf of the Deputy Chief Ministers who are not here to laud this wonderful program, I take this opportunity to thank each and every young person in this auditorium. Thank others also who probably did not get this information, whether it is 50, 60, 90. Marks are irrelevant. Get 95 or 100% in your lives. Be happy. Money nor marks can buy happiness. The only way we can turn our backs on the temptation of drugs is to take control of our lives.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jingim ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.